Hey, contraband.
It wasn't me. Fuck up by my face. Ooh, it wasn't me. Fuck up by my Remember face. The time when Lil' Buddy got popped? Say what? It wasn't me. Remember the time when Lil' Shawty got shot? For real? Bitch, I ain't see. Remember the time when Lil' Jit got flipped? What he is? Now he police. Got caught with a brick and got caught with 2 sticks. What he did? And he put it on me. I used to trap out the mega bus. I used to trap on the schedule. I used to smoke on the regular. Now I be smoking on medical. Remember the time when my cousin got flipped? What happened? It wasn't him. His homie got caught with a whole brick and M. What he do? And he put it on him.
Alright, my man. I need you to talk. Then, come on, I need you to really think.
Is that the bitch? That tongue, that boy, that.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Think harder.
What the fuck is this?
Take another bite of cheese if you have to, bro. I need you to really fucking think.
Man,
Is that
him?
Him?
That's the one?
God damn, we got him. We got him.
That's
Lord
him,
have
man.
mercy. Bless his soul.
I know this man.
We gon'
That's
get you,
him, man.
nigga.
I do not fuck with these rappers. Bitch,
Hey,
only hang with the smackers. I'm in the field with the trappers. I fuck with the scam and the hackers. I heard from the streets that the niggas a hoe. He cap, he hoe. But I already know I never been a hater in my motherfucking life. I put that on my soul. Remember the time when Lil' Buddy got popped? It wasn't me. Remember the time when Lil' Shawty got shot? Bitch, I ain't see. Remember the time when Lil' Jit got flipped? Now he police. Got caught with a brick and got caught with 2 sticks. And he put it on me. Whoa. These hoes be trifling. Pussy don't excite me. Set you up for an indictment. I swear these hoes be slimy. For real. Set you up to get killed. Bring your nigga to your crib. Now you pop his ass like a pill. Now the niggas don't know me. Niggas shoulda got to know me. Whoa. I shot his ass like I'm Kobe. R.I.P. my nigga Kobe. Your hoe put my name on the leash. I'm making 2-3 bands a week. I be jigging, snapping on this beat. I be jigging, snapping on this beat. I be in and out of other yard. I be in and out of your broad. I be selling dope but doing fraud. You ain't thuggin', nigga, you ain't hard. I heard that you done put out a tip. Cause them crackers found you with a zip. You ain't thuggin', nigga, you a bitch. How you gangsta, nigga, you a snitch. How they get this bitch nigga a pass? I don't give a fuck about your past. Nigga sell his soul for some cash. When I see you, nigga, gon' get smashed. Remember the time when Lil' Buddy got popped?
Hey, contraband.
It wasn't me. Remember the time when Lil' Shawty got shot? What? Bitch, I ain't see. Remember the time when Lil' Jit got flipped? What he is? Now he police. Got caught with a brick and got caught with 2 sticks. And he put it on me.